Choose your colors and medium. You can use any colors you like for your resin art alphabet. You can also mix and match colors to create a unique look. If you are using pigments, make sure they are compatible with resin. For the medium, you can use wood, canvas, or even metal. Design your letters. Once you have chosen your colors and medium, it's time to design your letters. You can use stencils, freehand them, or even use stamps. If you are not sure what to do, there are plenty of online tutorials and templates that you can use. Prepare your mold. If you are using a mold, make sure it's clean and free of dust. You can also spray it with a mold release agent to prevent the resin from sticking. Mix your resin. Follow the instructions on the package of resin to mix it properly. Once it's mixed, you can add your color, pigments, or glitters. Pour the resin. Carefully pour the resin into your mold or onto your medium. Make sure to get all the corners and edges. Let the resin cure. The curing time will vary depending on the type of. Once it's cured, you can remove it from the mold or medium. Add finishing touches. Once your resin art alphabet is cured, you can add any finishing touches you like. You can add glitter, paint, or even decal. your resin की चीज़